Hi, quick evidence-based update on 2 monoclonal antibody osteoarthritis therapies for pets, Librela for dogs and Solensia for cats. I'm summarizing regulator and peer-reviewed findings up to October 22, 2025. Links to the primary documents I used are in the description. This video is informational only and is not a substitute for veterinary advice. If you're worried about your pet, call your veterinarian right away. What regulators have said, short summary. In December 2024, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration's Center for Veterinary Medicine completed a review and sent a letter to veterinarians about adverse events reported in dogs treated with Librela, bedinvetmab. The FDA's review identified neurologic signs, for example, ataxia, seizures, paresis, recumbency, and urinary changes among reported events, and asked clinicians to monitor and report cases. For Solensia, frunevetmab, FDA searches of its adverse drug event, ADE, database show thousands of post-marketing reports logged since approval. The FDA's public ADE summaries list the number of reports and the clinical signs reported in those submissions. Remember, reports are spontaneous submissions and do not by themselves prove a causal relationship. What the published and company materials report, common side effects, Librela. Dogs. Post-marketing signals emphasize neurologic signs, ataxia, seizures, weakness, and a comparatively higher reporting of musculoskeletal lameness events. Zoetis' updated prescribing information and the FDA communications both advise veterinarians and owners to be aware of these possible reactions. Solensia, cats, clinical field studies and the product label report vomiting, diarrhea, gastrointestinal signs, and injection site reactions as the most common reactions observed in trials. The FDA ADE summaries show many spontaneous post-marketing reports but do not themselves establish incidents. Zoetis' safety FAQs and prescribing information emphasize vomiting and injection site pain as commonly observed. What independent studies have found peer-reviewed pharmacovigilance and surveillance analyses published in 2025 have reported increased reporting rates of musculoskeletal adverse events and reiterated the need for ongoing monitoring and further investigation into bedinvetmab, Librela. These independent analyses support the FDA's cautionary communications and call for careful clinical follow-up.